Hi guys! Next week's broadcast looks really promising, so I thought I would go through my urban sketching kit with you to get ready. This is all I need. I'm trying to keep it all in a minimalist level. I want everything fit nicely into this small pencil case. Is it possible to extend it, but I like keep it slim so it better fits to my backpack. I use whatever pencil just for quick sketch and blocking basic shapes on a paper. It goes here, and roll of jelly pen for my highlights. A micron pen I take with me just in case I have trouble with my regular fountain pen. Goes here. And this is my beloved pen. It's made by Desiderata Fountain Pen Company. Although it's a fountain pen, it's got flexi zebra G nib, which is genius because you can use it for thick lines and thin lines. Just depends, everything depends on a pressure. It's not the cheapest pen on the world. I saved on it for a long time, but I wouldn't change it. I just love it and I used only this one pen. Slim spray bottle, I use it just for waking up my watercolors. This plastic camping cap is very handy. It's very small. I used to use a Faber-Castell one, but this one is much better because it's smaller. I bought myself this art toolkit palette for Christmas, so I haven't used it on location yet. Although it's very slim and very lightweight, it has also some disadvantages. I will talk about them maybe in another video. And it goes down here. I've come to love these travel brushes made by Skoda. I used mostly number 10 and number 12 for first washes, and for details I use number 6. Sometimes I also use number 2 just for tiny details and highlights. There's a little hole in the top of the cap, so when it's wet it wouldn't get moldy. It's usually very hard to put them back when they are dry. And those go here. I usually take with me also a couple of spare zebra G nibs because they can get ruined. I used soft eraser to remove any remaining ink when it's necessary. It goes here. And regular eraser. I also take with me a tube of white gouache just for highlights. Sometimes I use a roller pen and sometimes gouache. This one is Winsor & Newton Permanent White. Those magnetic clips are quite necessary for me because I attach to them also a palette. If I can fit 4, it would be great. Okay. And we can close everything nicely. And it's just 5 or 6 centimeters wide. Yeah, and I almost forgot some necessary tissue paper. It goes better inside when it's empty. When I go just for a sketchbook, I take with me only this little bottle of water. When I travel all day, I take a regular bottle and I use it also for drinking. Last couple of years I use this A4 size Etcher sketchbook. I know it's not the best size for urban sketching, but this size I prefer right now. So only this goes into my urban sketching backpack. Usually when I go for urban sketching, I don't want to take more than one bag, so I am trying to fit everything in this Vanguard City backpack. I use mainly this one main space. I think this was meant to use for laptops, but my sketchbook fit there very nicely, and there is still enough room to fit everything else. Here I put my pencil case here. Then I bought myself something to sit on when the weather is not so good, and it goes here. Bottle of water, and there is still some room left for a little snack or something. Here goes my phone and my wallet and little stuff. And although it has really nice organizer here in this section, I barely use it because this is so slim. I cannot put almost anything to it, but I use it sometimes for spare tissue papers, and you can put them here. And that's it. That's my backpack ready for sketching on location. Hopefully I will take it out next week and make video for you. See you soon.